Alright, what's going on? We are back passing the Honda dealership, and we're about to pass Motor City Power Sports as well, right up here. And yeah, we're headed home. I'm excited to get home, but I figured we'd record a little bit. Obviously we made it through the shift. This is like my second week of working there, so right here, Motor City Power Sports, baby. All the good shit, all the coolest shit. But yeah, man, we out here, we ripping, we headed back home. Dude, I got a baklava from work today, and let me tell you, I'm feeling great. It is not too cold. I mean, like, yeah, my legs are a little chilly, but to be honest, yo, is that a speed 6? What the fuck? But yo, what the fuck? That was 100% a speed 6. What? Nah. Yo, that's wild. I should go talk to him, but I'm a pussy, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm about to go home. We're about to hit this light and go too. Are you trying to be sitting out here? Can't see, man. It's fogging up out here. My mask. But this baklava, bro, dude, it goes like into my coat and stuff. It's huge. It's oversized. I got the like the fuzzy one. Last year I had more of like the I don't even know how to explain what I had. It was more of like a stretchy nylon, like the tight nylon stretchy shit, you know what I mean? And this is more of like a fleece. So far I'm not too upset. Doing a pretty good job. Hopefully the audio sounds decent. It might be muffling my mouth, but hey, it's all good. Oh, it's chilly. Nope. Unless it's for the hoes. Unless it's for the pros. Stupid. That's the belly button. I'm about to eyeball you a zip, bro. My skelly jumping.
Why you sitting in the spot if you ain't selling nothing? Keeping tabs on every play I make. I think you telling something. I don't fuck with rats. I had to throw my hat
away because I don't fucking care. I don't mumble rap. Bitch, bitch, I'm Pac without the stomach pads. Bitch, I'm Tupac without the nose ring. Every time my flip phone ring. How much you got, man? You worry about the wrong thing. You need to worry about where your bitch going when the phone fuck. I'd rather grow weed. The wrong street I used to fuck with, but I can't no more. I beat shit down your leg, bro. I ain't no hoe. I swear to God, I'm in a mood right now. I feel free. I ain't gonna go. I'm from a hood where you ain't gonna go. Who's got behind me and I 810. It ain't take no more. Bitch, I'm a survivalist. Read me a Bible script. Michael Myers did. But yeah, man, I don't know. I'm just rapping Rio. I'm hyped. I'm in a good mood. It's a good night. It's actually fucking surprisingly really nice to ride with this baklava on. Like, it's a little chilly for sure, but like this has exponentially improved the overall experience. There are so many cars. Oh my goodness. Maybe I don't know. We want to be under this bridge though. Do we hit? We're gonna hit the gaps. Maybe not. It might not. This has been a bad idea, huh? Nah, we're going in front of this guy. We're not supposed to, but you know what? I don't give a fuck. I do what I want. Hey, look at this. It's a nice Mazda. It's the 2.3, right? No, it's a CX-5. Cannot see shit, brother. love it down here, to be honest. It's so nice. Rio to go. Perfect. Ready, 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 ready. Yeah! Damn it, I got scared. I hit the brakes. I shouldn't have been a pussy. Should have committed. Damn, are they all going right? Nope. Oh, this is the best ride home right now, dude. I literally have not had to stop. Yo, that's a nice, is that a G6? One more gear down. There we go, perfect. Yeah, baby. This was a good night, man. I don't know. I ain't really got much to say. But I mean, hey, that ain't always the point. I'm not here to, I'm just having fun. It's kind of ride. It's been like the smoothest no-stop ride ever. But, yeah, man. Basically, I'm working a second fucking job. I'm about to go to Alaska in July. And it's gonna be lit. We're gonna film that and maybe catch some fucking fish. I don't know. I'm getting in over my head, to be honest. But my grandpa really wants me to go, so we're gonna make it work. And yeah. Alright. At that point, I'm out of here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Oh no, I hit it. Oh no. Kinda red. Finna drop it in the Mountain Dew. This is G-Wagon. This bitch fast to climb mountains too. Big for a pound of fruit. Pussy pink like Majin Buu. Damn, I couldn't hide the proof. Oh, I got a lot to say. Made 1,300 off of rapping. Bought a Glock today. Dr. J. Cops gonna chase. Bitch. 10 milli Glock. This bitch 22 centimeters. Pull up in the Glock from the hell with a centipede. Put it in the runs pack, but it's some different weed. None of them dumber made history. It's how to build a century. We need bigger streets. Need a bigger bed. Had a threesome with 2 fat hoes. I need a bigger bed. Any arrogant. I got a bigger head. More shots than a liquor head.